I'm Nelson Yutzi with Helmuth Repair. Been there since 1993. I'm part of the third generation of ownership, and I like selling Artsways because it's a very good quality product. Benefits of Artsway, especially on the larger mills, is they have an industry leading 26-inch hammer mill. It's the widest hammer mill in the industry, so it allows you to grind feed much faster so that you can fill your tank, fill your bins, and move on to the next project. They now have 96 hammers. What that does for you is it allows you to actually raise a screen size and still keep the micron level of your feed at a consistent rate where you want it. And the benefit in going with a larger screen size is it allows you, once again, to process corn faster. So one of the benefits of Artsway grinders is the discharge auger goes to the top of the tank, so it starts out higher, which allows you to reach a higher, taller bulk bin without having as long of an extension. And Artsway now currently, especially on the big mills, has the large 10-inch discharge, which allows you to unload faster. And they not only have self-contained hydraulics, in addition to that, they have a handheld remote that you can keep with you in the tractor cab so that you can operate everything from the seat of the tractor. There's no getting on and off of the tractor to operate the mill. Everything can be done from the convenience of your tractor cab.